Stop by and take a look at the 2013 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, ambient lighting, rear view camera. Come see the car for yourself.